How to apply for Walmart delivery driver. Let's get started. First up, launch your preferred browser. Now, in the search box, type in sparkdriverapp.com. You'll be directed to the official website of it. Now scroll down. Here you have to enter your zip code. After you type in, different locations under your zip code will appear. Just scroll down and go through the list. Now you can select the place where you want to start the delivery. Just click on it. Then click on Continue. You will be directed to a new page where you're gonna find enrollment requirements. Just scroll down and go through it. Then click on Enroll Now. Now type in your phone number. Likewise, checking for the option of yes, are you over 18 years of age? Do you currently work for Walmart or Sam's Club? If yes, check in for the option of yes. If no, check in for the option of no. Check in for these terms and agreements. Now type in your phone number over here and then click on Send Code. With that, you will be receiving code in the phone number that you have just entered over here. In the next page, you will need to type in that code and verify your phone number. After you complete that process, you have successfully applied for a Walmart delivery driver. So this way you can easily apply for Walmart delivery driver. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.